My father, he was he was shorter than my mother. My mother felt that maybe his lack of size was because he was malnourished as a youngster, didn't have enough to eat. A round face, he had a very friendly face. You know, he talk about this a bit later, but he was very engaging and very personable. So there's this picture there when he has lots of hair. He looks very artistic here. You know, like a young jazz musician or a bohemian. He had a very, to me, he had a very, making me think about this, he had a very open manner to him. You know, he had a very pleasant face to me anyway. You know, so yeah, you know, and he was short. I mean, so I towered over him at a very early age. I mean, my brother and my late brother and I, sometimes when we would go out with him and you know be looking for clothes for him, people would walk up to my brother and say, well, you know, what size does your son take? Because he was much shorter than we were. My brother was also as tall as I am. He didn't he didn't really care for how he looked very much. You know, he, you know, suits that had a good suit was one you had a nap in. He inevitably had rolled a roll of newspaper in the pockets of his suits. You know, he, you know, he'd be often wearing two pairs of socks. My mother in warm weather would be urging him when he was outside writing to get into his shorts, and he wouldn't, you know, he wasn't interested in it. He was, you know, too busy focused on his writing. You know, no, he wasn't. He was not a fashion plate. He didn't care for it in the slightest. Yeah.